Hello, welcome in daily newspaper editorials audio program. Now headline: Grow up industry, the Times of India, Warriors of Hope, the Hindu. Now headline in detail: Grow up industry, the Times of India. The survive tariffs wars. India needs to be clever and its K producers must be up their quality game fast. Trump's reciprocal tariffs will hit Indians export on April 2 per a city research analysis. The annual loss for India could 150 billion, swinging heavily in India's favor. In fact, India's 45.7 billion surplus, but it in Trump's spotlight. He brought it up hours before meeting Modi in February and again on Tuesday when he told Congress India charges as tremendously high tariffs. Then we charge them. US has a 1.7th trade deficit. India accounts for just 2.7% of it, with its tariffs walls are indeed high. Last year, India charged an average of 11% on US goods, whereas US charged only around 3% beyond average. Trump's has long complained about India's 100% tariffs on cars. Industrials, ethyl alcohol faces 150% duty, food items 68%, footwear 15 to 20%. It's not easy for America to sell India. Tariffs are a headwind for India. Farm 8 billion US sales last year. Steel, aluminum, chemicals, jewelry, agri products, etc. Long term, our industries will have to become more resistant and find new market because the world won't wait for them to come of age. The auto sector, Trump's pet peeve, has flourished with protection in India for decades. At India exported only 0.7 mn cars last year. Mexico had 4 mn and export 3.5 mn, and as Korean Hyundai is America's fourth largest car maker now. Time we grow up to. Warriors of Hope, the Hindu. Asas need adequate remuneration to be effective in their role. When an acronym was coined to refer to a newly created cadre of health workers for the country as political gestures are born, care was taken to ensure the world invoked a sense of promise. The government decided to call them accreditedly social health activists. आशा in Hindi means hope. In 2005, the center launched the National Rural Health Mission. The nominate Asas to be the link between the community and the public health care delivery system. Today, there are over a million Asas across the country, with each one informally ensconced as the fulcrum of public health care in their area of operation. To rural India, they now perform a full complement of functions: record birth and death data, implement in intervention in non-communicable diseases and communicable diseases, neglected tropical diseases, and survey crucial productive maternal, newborn, child and adolescent health role, among others. Monitoring health, hygiene and sanitation in the community is also upon them. Its role that the Asas played during the COVID-19 pandemic and healthcare workers trusted by the community raised their profile significantly, and the humble Indian health worker went global. The Asas were chosen for the WHO Director General's Global Health Leaders Award in 2022 and were recognized for their outstanding contribution towards protecting and promoting health. A recent PLOS Global Public Health study established that the likelihood women access material services and have a safer institution waste delivery goes up by 1.6 times if they were connected with Asas. Thank you.